The Tennessee Bureau of Investigation is proposing a plan to get a clearer picture of drug use in Tennessee by testing sewage. Welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Haley Wilgus. The TBI is requesting $3 million to launch a wastewater drug testing pilot program in Knoxville. State Capitol reporter Tori Gessner explains testing results from a similar program in another state.
The TBI wants to dive deeper into the issue of drugs, not on the streets, but in the sewers, saying what's flushed away could hold more clues about drug trends in Tennessee.
What they do is they go in and they test the wastewater. So, for example, at a high school, they'll go in and they'll pull that water and they will test it to see what's going on there.
TBI Director David Roush is asking Governor Bill Lee for $3 million to launch a wastewater drug testing pilot program in Knoxville. Partnering with the company, he says, can track illegal drugs within a block of where they enter the sewer system.
Everything from health, mental health, TDEC. I mean, all of us who are in this fight, this would be something that would potentially give us a better understanding prior to the overdose deaths.
The program is more common in places like Europe and Australia than in the U.S., but testing was done in Seattle, Washington in 2023. According to the European Union Drugs Agency, cocaine, amphetamine, meth, MDMA, and ketamine were all detected in Seattle's wastewater. When compared to European cities, Seattle led the pack for daily levels of meth, but fell behind when it came to drugs like cocaine and amphetamine. The program also works as a form of sewage surveillance for police.
If we have an area where we have drug complaints, we can have them test the water in that area. A lot of that comes from where they wash their hands, where they're washing their instruments that they're cutting the drugs with, and they'll be able to lock in on that location as a potential target to enforcement.
Director Roush hoping to turn sewage into a data source to make Tennessee safer. In Nashville, Tori Gessner, News 2.
And Governor Bill Lee will consider the TBI's $3 million request when drafting the next budget. Then his budget proposal will have to be approved by the General Assembly.